This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Maura Bain. Location. Beautifully renovated second-story condo near Greenbrier Mall. This is one of few condos that have been renovated and none opened up to this degree. Open floor plan. Newer neutral colors with paint, carpet, luxury vinyl plank flooring and more. Granite countertops and stainless steel appliances make this kitchen gorgeous. There are 2 primary bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. One has a tiled shower and low-entry shower stall for safety. Cathedral ceiling, built-in bookcases. Its superb use of space. Convenient location near interstate, Greenbrier Mall, shopping, restaurants, entertainment and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Maura Bain at 757-418-2139.